I've just been slammed with homework the past day or market right now. Not much different since yesterday in my last video, but if you notice, we are still on this trend line. We are on the middle moving average right now, which is interesting because usually what Litecoin tends to do, you can see how we bounce up. We don't really go below it much, so I'm not really worried of Litecoin falling below this. I can expect to see us maybe, I don't want to say it, but usually just cruise along this line, cruise along the moving average for a little bit, and then explode. I would like to see us break out of this downtrend really soon, but I really don't know. If it was to happen, it will happen in the next 2 or 3 days. I believe it's the 29th, and I can see us doing something by maybe the 2nd of February, so 3 days, and we'll see on the hourly. Give us a nicer look. I don't know why it does that. You'll notice we are pretty much back on this line, blue line, because that is acting as our support, as you can see. But we do tend, this, if I draw this out more, seems to be another downtrend line here, which is acting as resistance. You see, we were almost like chilling on this line for a while down. If I can maybe correct it a little bit like that. Yeah, that looks about right. You can see we were kind of hanging on here, the blue line again. So what I can pretty much infer is hopefully we stay above this blue line and kind of maybe chill in here for a little bit until we break out, which is what I'm hoping to see. But if I had to bet money, I would expect us to just kind of free flow and just kind of the prices. But we will see what happens. That is my prediction with Litecoin. Bitcoin, it's the same news about before, nothing moving along the middle moving average right now. It is acting as our support and resistance. So we'll see what happens by the end of something. We may just consolidate for a little bit, but we're kind of just hanging out along this middle moving average. I do expect us to see us come up a little bit, maybe to 11.3. 11,350 and retest that moving average, but other than that, not much. Frame just seems to be doing whatever the hell it wants to do. Still cruising on the middle moving average. Retested it here and probably are going to bounce up off of it. So if you bought, it would be a good time. Well, I'd actually say if it breaks this black line above 11.45, I'd buy in for a quick sell a little higher up. But that's pretty much going to sum up this video. I'm sorry it was so short, but it seems like the overall market is down today. So that's pretty much going to sum up today's video. If you like it, please like, comment, subscribe. Check out yesterday's video. I go more in depth, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.